Do you feel any pangs of regret at all looking at these communities in places like South Yorkshire and South Wales where there are pronounced social and economic problems, whether it could have been done differently?
I always regret the casualties in any war. It doesn't change my view about the war, whether it was in the Falklands or whether it was in South Wales and Yorkshire. No, I remain the same as ever. Changes had to happen.
You cannot live in the past. You might as well say we should have gone on subsidising the production of horse-drawn carriages. You know, things, economies move on, change happens.
Domestically, I mean, is the miners' strike up there with the Falklands War as one of the kind of the central moments without which the rest of the Thatcher Revolution might not have happened?
Well, let me put it this way. We could have survived as a government surrendering the people of the Falklands to a bunch of fascist generals in South America. We could have done that. We couldn't have survived as an administration surrendering British industry to Mr. Scargill.
He was a man of infinite vanity, incidentally, who thought he could bring the government down. That was what it was about, and we had to establish clearly that democracy and the rule of law prevailed.
I don't have regrets about what we did. I have regrets that there were casualties, people whose lives were ruined one way and another.
Was Britain a better country because the strike was lost?
Well, let me make it clear, first of all, I never saw it as a victory over the miners, nor did the government. It was a victory over Arthur Scargill and what he stood for, which was basically an attempt to bring down the democratically elected government.